How to fix Modern Warfare 2 error 0x0000005. 1. Scan and repair your MW2 app in battle.net app. 2. Update your drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Optim the MW2 app by a GeForce experience. Like this. 4. Rename the Warfare subfolder in MW2 installation folder. Like this. 5. Disable on-demand texture in MW2 graphics settings. 6. Disable NVIDIA highlights. 7. Uninstall then reinstall battle.net client. 8. Close Asus Game First 6 process or app by a WTM. 9. Uninstall then reinstall the Call of Duty Warfare 2.